2019 Ranger Crew out on a road test. We're gonna see what this baby does with the Bikeman tune and clutch kit in it. Here we go. On that one. Stock, it peaked out at 59. Now this one's fully cabbed, so got a little bit more wind drag than a non-cabbed Ranger. That's a fully cabbed Ranger North Star. You can kind of see this is a crew cab. I'll get outside so you can see what it actually looks like from the outside here. Let you know what we're dealing with. We are on regular tires, fully cabbed, fully glassed. This thing is a heavy beast, but we had 71 miles an hour. So my first impression of the Bikeman tune and clutch kit in this thing, it's 9-day difference versus stock. Over and out.